Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Working on a 2014 Mercedes CLA250, the AMG package. I'm changing out the seat switch here. This is original, this is the part number from Mercedes. I already took out the door panel, but let me run it through for you guys. So you can see the switch right here is completely broken. To take the door panel out, so you're gonna take this part out first. You're gonna pull it up. You can see this part right here, it clips onto the orange clip right here. So all you gotta do is just pull it up. It comes right out. Back down. For the trim piece right here, I use the pry tool clip right here. Shove it under, pry it out. There's two bolts, two Torx bolt that's holding onto it. One right here, one on this hole. And then for the back, this little black piece, I don't know what it does, but you're gonna pull this out to get it to unlock, because that part hooks onto this. So once you pull it out, it will unlock it from here, from hooking on here. And then from there, you're gonna pop out the door panel. It's all clipped, so you're just gonna pop it out and pull it straight up. Now for the door cable, you're gonna pull this all the way back, get it to unlock like that. I'm gonna use a pry bar tools. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but pop it out like that. There you go. For the connector, you're just gonna unclip these two. There you go. Press on the tab, pull. Press on this tab, pull. So let me show you from the back view the parts right here. You're gonna pull back to get it to unlock. So this part, it hooks on to this part right here. So once you pull it out, you get it to unlock, so that way you can get the door out. For the switch, so it's sitting like this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna shove a flathead into these kind of clips right here, this kind of lock right here, push it in and pry up like this, so that way you get it to unlock. So pry this one, all the tab basically around it, and there's one connector that's holding on to it. You're gonna have to at the same time, you're gonna use two hands. One hand you're gonna pry this from the inside, and the other hand from the outside, pushing the switch in, so to get it to unlocked. And then from there, after you unlock all of it, this piece is gonna come out first. This piece separate, so this piece is gonna come off like that, and then this whole piece is sitting under this, so you're gonna have to sneak your way out like this and then come out like that. For this piece, I'm gonna swap the chrome over to the new one. So I'm gonna put a flathead down and then pry it up. You can see my new one is black, but I'm gonna switch the chrome over. And one more thing, before you remove this thing, before you want to take this piece out, remove this little chrome piece first, so that way you have room to sneak it out. Now once you get this off, you're gonna put this flathead in here and pry the black piece out, separate the chrome piece. It's a double-sided tape, and you can see separating the chrome piece. There you go. And then you can put a little bit of 3M double-sided tape to the new one. I took out the two cover, so that way I have a little bit of room to slide it in. So I'm gonna try my best to get it to slide in. There you go. And for this piece, you're gonna see the two hook right here, the two little hook. It hooks onto let me see, it hooks onto these two holes right here, one right here, one right there. So let me snap this in first. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but and then I'm gonna try to keep it straight and slide it in. It's kind of hard. So I had to do it a little bit rough. Had to kind of force it in a little bit because it's kind of tight. And I like force it in a little bit to get it to snap in. But for the cover, let's see. It's so hard to do this with one hand. There you go. Snap in this piece right here. Maybe like this. Now for the chrome piece right here, there's a little bit of tape in there left, so I'm just gonna put it back in. There you go. Now I'm gonna put the door panel back. So these are color coded, so it goes into the color of the module right here: purple to purple, blue to blue, green to green. Don't forget the 2 connectors right here for the switch. For the cable, you're gonna snap this down first, pull it out all the way, and slide it in. There you go. And then for the door, you're gonna go up and snap it down. And then same thing for this piece, you're gonna snap it down from the top straight down to this clip right here. My door panel, everything is backed in. For the trim piece, you're gonna line it up with all the holes, snap it in. There you go. That's it. Remember to tighten the bolt too, right here, one right here, before you put the trim piece. But that's it. Now I'm gonna check everything. The window's working. Going up and down. There you go. My seats, you can see I'm gonna hit it. You can see the seats is going back and forth. My bag is also going back and forth. There you go. Door working, yes. So that's it for this video, guys. So if you guys like my video, leave it thumbs up, comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you're new to the channel, please help me subscribe. I'll keep everybody updated. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.